Hi, my name is Matthew Bottom, and I'm going to be talking to you about Bloom's taxonomy, the three domains of learning. Bloom's taxonomy is set in the hierarchical models used to classify educational learning objectives into levels of complexity and mastery. Models organized into three domains: cognitive, affective, and sensory. The cognitive domain: remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. The cognitive domain list has been the primary focus of most traditional education and is frequently used to structure curriculum, learning objectives, assessments, and activities. Here we see the cognitive domain hierarchy. We start with remembering. The student can recognize and recall relevant knowledge from long-term memory. Define, duplicate, list, memorize, repeat, reproduce. We see understanding. The student can construct meaning from oral, written, and graphic messages. Interpret, exemplify, classify, summarize, infer, compare, explain, paraphrase, and discuss. Applying. The student can use information in a new way. Demonstrate, dramatize, interpret, solve, use, illustrate, convert, discover, discuss, and prepare. And then we see analyzing. The student can distinguish between parts, how they can relate to each other, and to the overall structure and purpose. They can compare, contrast, criticize, differentiate, discriminate, question, classify, distinguish, and experiment. Evaluating. The student can make judgments and justify decisions, appraise, argue, defend, judge, select, support, evaluate, debate, measure, select, test, and verify. And then lastly, we see creating. The student can put the elements together to form a functional whole, create a new product or point of view. They can assemble, generate, construct, design, develop, formulate, rearrange, rewrite, organize, and devise. This is the cognitive domain hierarchy of Bloom's taxonomy. This is the conclusion of our presentation. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to answer them this time. Thanks.